Ready? 1, 2, 3.
It is intimidating doing a duet with Rebecca. I don't know why, but I did my best. So let me see if I'm going to keep it or erase it.